If I told you there's a $20, £20 serum claiming to boost collagen by 300%, give you professional facial results in just 14 days and deliver glowing, plump, youthful skin, would you believe me? Most people wouldn't, but that's exactly what the Inkey list is promising with their viral Exosome Hydroglow Complex Serum. It's sold out, it's been restocked, it's been hyped about all over TikTok and Instagram. So naturally, I had to test it just for you. Welcome back, I'm Sally and I'm the Beauty Brit. I've been a Medi-Aesthetician for over 30 years and I see products come and go. Today, I'm giving you the real, unsponsored, unpaid for truth about whether this next gen serum is skincare sorcery or just a marketing fairy tale. Because let's face it, we've seen a few of those. Stick around because I'm also going to share exactly what exosomes are, how they work, and whether this formula actually earns its hype. And if you're serious about anti-aging skincare, does it work? You'll want to stay until the end because I'm going to give you my exact results. So let's start with what exosomes actually are, because let's be honest, it sounds like something from Star Trek. Exosomes are tiny biological messengers released by your cells. Think of them as high-tech couriers that carry proteins, growth factors, and genetic instructions from one cell to the other. This is incredible skincare. They've been found to stimulate collagen, speed up healing, reduce inflammation, and even repair sun damage and pigmentation. Now, in medical aesthetics, exosomes have been around for a while. They are already being used in regenerative therapies, everything from wound healing to hair growth. And now they've made their way into our topical skincare. All thanks to brands like the Inkey list. Now, I also spoke about an exosome skincare brand that I adore. It is this one. It's Collagen. I'll link the video for you just here. It is an under eye or around eye serum that I think is incredible. But let's talk about this, because at this price point, can it really work? Well, what makes this super exciting is that exosomes are proving to be powerful in both hydration and regeneration. In short, they don't just sit on your skin, they talk to it, coaxing it into acting younger, healthier, and brighter. So, how does this work? This formula, the Inkey list formula, uses plant-derived exosomes, specifically from Centella asiatica, aka Cica. While they're not the same as stem cell exosomes used in medical sciences, medical clinics, they are very, very promising as an alternative. This formula also uses ectoin, a rare molecule that soothes, hydrates, and protects your skin barrier. It also contains Q10, and you will have heard of Q10. Q10 is a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and brightens the skin. Now, together, this combination aims to hydrate, calm, and renew your skin at a cellular level. Now, before I talk about my results, here's a bold claim I want to give you. This is probably the most effective budget serum of the year. So why do I say that? Well, when I started using it, I used it religiously for 3 weeks, morning and night, on my face, neck, and the backs of my hands. What I noticed by day 3 is my skin felt more hydrated. Now, I have highly sensitive skin on my neck, so I have to be careful, but I had no tingling, no irritation, no reaction. By day 7, a subtle glow began to appear, as if I'd had a facial. By week 3, my texture felt smoother, my skin tone brighter. And let's face it, ladies, if you've been with me a while, you know I love a glow. I'm 56 and I think I look pretty good. I love the glow and I'm still glowing strong. No breakouts, no irritation, and absolutely no pilling. Now, pilling for me is a big fat no. I can have the best skincare in the world, but if it doesn't play nice with my makeup, I won't use it. I can't stand it. I wear makeup every day. Studio makeup. I have to have skincare that plays nice with my cosmetics. It's also vegan, it's fragrance free, and it's suitable for sensitive skin. Now, one pump goes a long way. It is yellow in color. It absorbs beautifully on the skin And at £20, $20, you can use it everywhere. I use it on my face, my neck, my décolletage, my hands, wherever I show the signs of aging. I want all the help I can get. And let's talk about your retinols and your peptides. It's going to play great. You don't have to worry. You just use it as a serum. Remember, thinnest to thickest when it comes to your skincare. Now, honestly, this is a smart alternative to the pricier exosomes. It's great for pairing with your makeup, with your skincare. It's just a fabulous, affordable product that's going to last you for a couple of months. So let's talk about that claim of 300% collagen. I've got to tell you, I'm going to be honest, it's misleading. It isn't true. The science behind it actually comes from in vitro studies, not human clinical trials. And I've talked about that on this channel quite a lot. We are often marketed to because we're vulnerable. We want a solution to our aging skin. We want to look younger. We want to look hydrated. We want to have that glow back. We want our lines and wrinkles to look less. And the truth is we can be marketed to because we are vulnerable. So when claims are made like 300% collagen, you've got to question it. So in a nutshell, what this means is that cells in a Petri dish increase collagen production threefold, so 300%. But that isn't the same thing as applying it to your face topically and waking up with a 25-year-old's cheeks. It's just not going to happen. Also, it is important to mention that plant-based exosomes are not identical to stem cell exosomes. They're gentler, more stable and more accessible, but don't expect overnight miracles. So who is this for? If your skin's been looking dull, dehydrated, or just tired, this is fantastic. It's a wonderful serum to try, especially if you want that lit from within glow, like I do, without breaking the bank. So do I think it's worth the hype? Yes, I do, with realistic expectations. Consistency is key. This isn't magic in a bottle, but it is a smart, science-backed skincare. It hydrates, it smooths, it brightens, and may well support long-term collagen for just £20, $20. Come on, it's a win. So I want you to leave me a heart emoji below if you're tempted to try it. Drop a cross if you're not convinced, and let's have a lovely conversation in the comments. I read all of your comments. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed. So many of you watch my videos, but you're not subscribed. You're missing out. I bring no nonsense skincare reviews just like this. And I've chosen this video for you next. It is an incredible device that I have tried that helps with crepey loose skin on the neck and on the chest. Until the next time, bye for now.